Hey guys, this is Anthony Morganti. I am MrPhotographer.com. As you probably know, Lightroom Classic has a lot of hidden resets in it. In this video, I'm going to go over some of the more popular hidden resets that are in Lightroom Classic. Now, many of these you probably already know, but hopefully one or two of them will be new to you. Now, you probably know that if you are in Lightroom in the Develop module and you want to reset a single slider, all you need to do is double click on the name of the slider and you'll reset that slider. What you also could do is you could reset sliders that are in a group. For example, the white balance sliders. If I want to reset these, let's say they were moved to a different position and I want to just reset that group, I could just double click on the WB and I'll reset that. If I want to reset all the tone sliders, double click there and I'll reset those. The same for the present sliders, I'll reset those. And this just isn't applicable to the basic tab. It's applicable to every tab. If I go to tone curve, you can see I have a crazy tone curve in here. And if I want to reset that, just double click on the word adjust and I'll reset that. HSL, if I had some of these sliders moved around here and I wanted to reset the saturation, just double click on the word saturation. The same is said for luminance as well. Just double click on luminance. So you could reset all those. And again, that's applicable to all the tabs. Just double click on the name that is in the tab. So like sharpening, noise reduction, and you'll reset all of that as well. Now, some local adjustment resets. Now let's go to a different image because I kind of wrecked that one. Local adjustments are the graduated filter, the radial filter, and the brush. And what I'm going to show you is applicable to all three. If you want to reset the color swatch, you can see down here I have some color in the color swatch. And if I want to reset that, just double click on the word color and I'll reset that. If I want to reset all the sliders, just double click on the word effect. You might often see when I'm doing videos, whenever I'm doing something with a local adjustment tool, as soon as I open it, I double click on effect. I just reset everything right off the top. And then I set it the way I want to. All right, now just to reset an entire image, you probably know you could just click on the reset button over here. If you're feeling a little more ambitious, you could right click right on the image, go to settings, and there's reset right here. What is kind of crazy, I think, there's actually a preset that zeroes out everything that comes in Lightroom. But the preset by default isn't showing. To get it to show, go to this little plus sign on the presets in the left panel, click on that, go to Manage Presets, and it's right here in Classic General. Just click on that. So you'll see that Classic General group is now there, and you can see that very last preset is zeroed. That will reset everything. That will reset your entire image when you click on that. I'm just hovering on it, but you get the idea. And finally, I'll leave you with this one. If you have an image that is cropped and you just want to reset the crop, but you don't want to go back and open up the crop tool and hit reset, you could use the keyboard shortcut. If you have a PC, Shift-Alt-Control-R. That's Shift-Alt-Control-R. If you have a Mac, it's Shift-Option-Command-R, and it resets your crop. So there's some hidden resets that are in Lightroom. Definitely not all of them. If you know of any that you use all the time, let me know in the comments below. Hopefully you didn't know one or two of these and they could be incorporated in your workflow. Thank you everyone who watches my videos. I really do appreciate it. I'll talk to you guys soon.